Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and I'm back with a Sizzix haul and project share. Well, this haul and the project share is probably going to be broken up because I don't want these videos to be too long. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and tried to make projects with the Sizzix haul just to make it a little bit more fun and to make sure I'm actually using the new stuff that I bought. So today I'm going to be showing 3 of the dies that I got from Sizzix. And I actually bought these in 2 different orders, really good prices in some of the things that I got. Can't remember the exact prices, but they were in between 50 and 80% off. Everything I got was very reasonable. So the ones I'm going to show you today are this one, which is a Biggs die, and it's called Best Bunnies. And so this is a die that you could cut heavier material with. I also have this one. This is a Linda Canassi Sizzix die, and it makes a pencil box, and I'll talk a little bit about kind of what I learned with this die. And then this one right here is a frame. It's called the Ornate Oval die. So here's this die right here. So there's that one. Okay, so let's start with the pencil box die. So what I discovered, first of all, is that there's not a lot of give with this die, that you really have to make sure that you fold the die and you adhere the pieces exactly where they need to go. Otherwise, it's very easy for it to get kind of wonky. And then for this end piece to not fit. So I'm kind of on the fence about this die, if I really like it, not like it, if I'm going to use it or not. It was a really good price, so I decided to give it a try. I'll probably cut it again to see, what I think about it as a final try, because that's what I learned by cutting this. And so I think also, using a crease pad, which I have somewhere, would probably be helpful, or throwing the pieces onto your scoreboard and making sure that you run your scoring tool over the creases so you can get a very clear place of where it needs to be creased. You have to cut it out. I think I cut them 6 times. Each piece gets cut 6 times. So you've got this one piece right here, so you have to cut it 6 times, I think it is, and then put it together. And then you've got this piece, which I'm not exactly sure what that piece is necessarily for. I guess maybe if you wanted to just, I don't know, put it, I don't know. Then you have this piece that goes on this part, and then this piece right here, which is the closure for the bottom of the pencil case. So it's definitely a little bit of work. I did make it fit. I had to squeeze it on there to kind of make my box fit, because apparently I did a pretty terrible job at scoring and gluing my pieces together. So there's that, and my kind of opinion on that, how to put that together. So I also used, for these projects that I made, I used my Tailored Expressions Mini Strips Easter along with the dies. I love these. They're amazing. So I'll just say that they're amazing, and I am totally in love with these strip dies. So first thing I made, and I used, I think it's Willow Lane and Hip Hip Hooray. So the Willow Lane is Maggie Holmes, and then this one's I think it's Crate Paper, is the Hip Hip Hooray. So, and then I use these flowers from my stash. I've had these from Stampin' Up. I've had them for, 5 years, 6 years. I've had them forever. So, anyway, I just used one of the bunnies here. Got the heart that comes with that die as well, and then I did the tail in this color as well. And then this is actually let's see if I can get this. This is an envelope, like a policy style envelope. What the heck is going on today? Why is it not unraveling? So here we go. It's an envelope. I've made these on camera before. They're super easy. They sell a die that you can make this. Don't buy the die. You literally can make this any size that you want. very, very easily. It is like the easiest envelope ever to make. So if you ever, I mean, if you're interested, I can show you on camera how to make these very easily, but I have done that already before. But super, super easy. You could throw candy in here, a gift card, a regular card. I love making these. So I did that, and then I made 2 cards. So I've got this card right here, and what I did with this is I cut a house from the paper, from the Little Lane paper, and just put that here. A couple of eggs. I had like an oval die that kind of reminded me of an egg. So I just cut those out of the Maggie Holmes paper. And then this is one of the strips. It says Happy Easter. And then here's another one, You Are Exceptional. And then I did a larger oval for my egg, and then the smaller oval for that egg. So there's my 2 cards. And then I made, well, this is like an embellishment, I would think. I mean, you could use this as a tag. It could be used as an ornament. You could put this on the front of a card, in the front of a bag. I mean, there's a lot of things that you could do with this. I think it'd be really cute, packaged up and given, given in Happy Mail that someone could use, or just having her stash. You could put it on the front of a bag, and you can make a cute little bag with this as well. So this just says Hello Spring, a little more generic. This is something I colored up a while ago. This is a Julie Nutting doll stamp, and I had her colored out paper piece and sitting on my desk. So that's really nice. I think I'm probably going to do that some more, is just color and cut out a bunch of things. And it's kind of nice when I have pieces left over and I don't know what to do with them. I just kind of put them aside, and then I can quickly throw them on a project. And then I also made a tag. So this one I just cut kind of the size that I wanted of piece of paper. And then I have an angle punch. And so I just used an angle punch and a circle punch. And I just lined my circle with this circle up here. And then, so then you could put the ribbon or string or whatever, twine, up at the top here really quickly. And then it says, There's No Bunny Like You. I used one of those Best Bunnies. And so I just used the reverse of this for this. And so I thought this would be cute. Like I might be making like an Easter junk journal or like a spring junk journal. And I thought this would be a cute embellishment, maybe even this one as well, to decorate that. I don't know. I just enjoyed making these. So, or I could put this on an Easter basket or anything like that. If I'm going to do an Easter basket, I could do that. So just options with that. I really, I like all these dies except the pencil die. I'm kind of like, it may not be my style. So I'm kind of debating on that one. But anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart, and stay tuned. I am going to have more of my Sizzix haul along with projects that I've made with it. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.